What if the real barrier to stopping plasticizer migration is not the formulation but the surface itself? Why are so many products still plagued by bloom, tack, and loss of flexibility? Why are surface tweaks the game changer every formulator needs to know? Plasticizer migration. It's the hidden saboteur silently wrecking flexible PVC, TPEs, medical devices, and packaging. Bloom, tack, odor, property loss. Most of it starts at the interface, where surface energy and diffusion pathways give plasticizers a way out. Here's the twist. It's not just about what's inside your polymer. Control starts with understanding the real drivers: thermodynamics, fixed diffusion, and solubility mismatches. Once you get the why, the how is all about surface engineering. From corona and plasma treatments, to silane grafting, nanocoatings, ALD and PVD films, these powerful techniques build a real barrier to migration. Swapping up surfaces with high-affinity plasticizers, surface-active additives, and multi-layer structures, like ethylene vinyl alcohol, or PVDC, can slash migration for good. And it's not all theory. You'll learn how to verify results with contact angle testing, FTIR, extraction studies, and migration modeling. This online expert-led training is your shortcut to practical answers. No more endless trial and error. Fix migration at the source, cut bloom and tack, and get solutions you can use straight away. If you're a formulator, chemist, packaging technologist, medical material specialist, or engineer, this training is made for you. Don't let your materials be sabotaged at the surface. Master the science, master migration control. Register today and build barriers that really work. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And hey, not only this, but check out of hundreds of other useful expert-led on-demand training courses, designed and recommended by top industry experts.